A welding machine is far more than just a piece of hardware. It's the backbone of metal fabrication, repair, and construction across industries ranging from automotive to aerospace. At its core, a welding machine is designed to generate and control high-temperature electrical arcs that melt and fuse metals together with incredible strength and precision. Whether it's MIG, metal inert gas, TIG, tungsten inert gas, stick, SMA, or a multi-process unit, modern welding machines are built to offer flexible functionality to handle a wide variety of materials including steel, aluminum, and stainless alloys. Today's advanced models come equipped with digital displays, adjustable amperage settings, and even inverter technology, which allows for more consistent arc control, reduced power consumption, and greater portability without sacrificing performance. For professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, the right welding machine can transform a simple workspace into a powerhouse of productivity, enabling repairs, fabrication, and customization with efficiency and confidence. Beyond the spark and sizzle lies a world of engineering excellence and rugged durability. A high-quality welding machine is engineered not only to withstand the intense thermal stress of arc welding, but also to perform in challenging environments, whether it's on a dusty job site, a noisy factory floor, or a cluttered garage. These machines are often built with reinforced frames, advanced cooling systems, and overload protection to ensure long-term reliability and operator safety. Smart features such as automatic hot start, anti-stick technology, and voltage compensation make operation smoother and more accessible, even for less experienced users. With the right accessories, such as quality electrodes, shielding gas, and proper safety gear, a welding machine becomes an indispensable tool for construction crews, metal artists, farmers, and engineers alike. It's not just a tool, it's a gateway to creation, repair, and innovation, where every spark forge becomes a bond of enduring strength.